Hey everyone, this is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm on your Mac OS. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, you have to click or press on your keyboard Command plus space and it will bring a spotlight search. You have to search here clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock. Just open the app. And now you have to click on the alarm section, and here you will see that there's no alarm or there are default some alarms, I mean 1 or 2. And now we are going to set a new alarm. Click on this plus icon, and now you have to pick your time. For example, I'm choosing 10 and 30, and I'm choosing repeat as Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and clicking on this save button. And that's it, we have successfully set an alarm on our Mac OS. And make sure that your lid is open if you are using MacBook. On the other hand, if you are using Mac Mini or Mac Studio, then you have to stay connected with the electricity all the time. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching.